Hello everyone, I hope you all are doing well today. Have you ever wondered how your job might look in the next 10 or 20 years? What if I told you that robots and artificial intelligence could take over many of the tasks we perform today? Would that make you feel excited or anxious? Today we will explore these questions and more as we delve into the future of work shaped by automation and artificial intelligence. The evolution of work. To understand the future, we need to look at the past. The Industrial Revolution transformed agriculture based economies into industrial powerhouses. Machines replaced human labor, creating new industries and jobs. Similarly, the Digital Revolution brought computers and the internet, leading to the birth of information age. Now we stand on the brink of another major shift, the age of automation and artificial intelligence. Now, what is automation and artificial intelligence? Automation refers to the use of technology to perform tasks with minimal human intervention. Think of assembly lines in factories or automated customer services systems. Artificial intelligence, on the other hand, is the simulation of human intelligence by machines. This includes tasks such as learning, reasoning, and problem solving. Examples include virtual assistants like Siri and Alexa, as well as advanced data analytics tools. One of the most pressing concerns is the impact on employment. According to a report by McKinsey Global Institute, up to 800 million jobs could be displaced by automation by 2030. This sounds alarming, but it's important to note that new jobs will also be created. For instance, the rise of the internet led to the creation of jobs in web development, digital marketing, and e-commerce. Let's see some examples. In manufacturing, factories are increasingly using robots to perform repetitive tasks. In healthcare, AI is revolutionizing healthcare by providing more accurate diagnosis and personalized treatment plans. In retail, Amazon uses AI to manage its inventory and predict customer preferences. Automated warehouses and drones are used for faster delivery and improving customer satisfaction. Now you must be thinking about the skills for the future. With these changes, the skills required for future jobs will also evolve. Technical skills such as programming and data analysis will be in high demand. However, soft skills like creativity, critical thinking, and emotional intelligence will also be crucial. So, what about education and training? To prepare for this future, education systems need to adapt. Lifelong learning will become the norm as people will need to continuously update their skills. Online courses, vocational trainings, and the on-job learning will play a significant role. So as we embrace automation and artificial intelligence, we must also consider ethical implications. Issues such as data privacy, job displacement, and potential for AI to be used in harmful ways need to be addressed. It's essential to develop policies and regulations that ensure technology serves humanity positively. So, in conclusion, the future of work will undoubtedly be shaped by automation and AI. While there are challenges, there are also immense opportunities. By embracing the change, updating our skills, and considering ethical implications, we can create future where technology enhances our lives and work. As we stand on the threshold of this new era, let us remember that the future is not something that just happened to us. We shape it with our actions, our innovations, and our choices. Imagine a world where tasks are automated, giving us more time to focus on creative and meaningful work. A world where AI helps us solve complex problems and improve our quality of life. This is not just a dream, it's a possibility within our reach. Let us embrace the future with optimism and prepare ourselves for the exciting journey ahead. Thank you so much for watching this video. This is Success Pathfinder.